The way that I look at Prompt is it's more than just a partnership. It's kind of an integrated relationship that is the growth engine behind our success. So we believe that innovation and technology is our future. I'm Eric DeYoung, the CEO of Arete Health, LLC. We have 11 clinics today. We started about 4 months ago. We're in North Carolina, Virginia, and Maryland, and have a strong and strategic pathway forward with growth strategy, and love the opportunity to partner with Prompt. It's an innovative solution partner to how we see our growth and our strategy to continue to expand our relationships. It's a differentiator. It allows us to talent recruit really innovative and smart, sophisticated young therapists that are eager and excited about AI. It's an integrated process with our revenue cycle, and it's a seamless workflow relationship that we have with you all. Prompt was an obvious choice for me. So through our process, we invest in existing practices and we partner with them and we look at their EMR product, but it's part of our investment thesis that we want to integrate Prompt into every one of our acquisitions. So we've been through several now acquisitions and we've gone through several integrations. And so the ability to look at what was there live for maybe sometimes 20 years in these acquisitions, this is their first migration and their first investment into something new that's evolving and evolutionary. And so it's been an excitement to listen to the therapist feedback, because that's really what I'm trying to solve for, right? We're all in a talent grab game these days, and being a differentiator and having a solution for a therapist that minimizes some of the burdens of their documentation time, but also for our front office teammates that are super important. They're engaging with customers, and the last thing they need is 50 tasks a day. Prompt has been able to unburden them by like 85% of what we've seen historically in the front office teammates. So at Arete, we have 3 key things that we're looking for. One is creating access to care. 2 is being able to ensure that therapists are being able to provide therapy services at the top of their license. And then lastly, we want to demonstrate value to an industry that continuously dilutes us from degradation of our reimbursement. And we want to be able to be competitive enough to go back to the payers and be able to be a solution-oriented organization to show our outcomes and our data to support the care that we're providing. So the Prompt solution, as I look at it as part of our partnership, one, if I can reduce 75% of the documentation burden, and my therapists who tell me, and this was the greatest feedback, hey, in the last 2 weeks, I didn't have to take a laptop home with me and do documentation over the weekend, right? I was able to be with my family. Like that to me was like a selling point immediately as an opportunity to say, this is the right decision. And that's what we're trying to solve for, because that 75% less time that they're doing documentation and it's already being developed for them, they're seeing more patients and they're being able to create access. And therapists don't necessarily complain about the number of patients. It's the documentation that surrounds the number of patients. And that is what weighs them down. So if you can free that up, they're really happy to see patients because of the predictability and because of the coaching and because of the tools that are attached inside of Prompt. We're able to teach clinicians and encourage them to be able to be coding at the top of their license for the actual work that they're actually doing with their patients. So that drives part 3, which is the value. And so if we're creating access, we're giving tremendous care, we're demonstrating that through our efficiencies, and we're being able to code effectively. And now we're documenting and we're pulling all that together. It's a total package that says we're great at what we do, we mean what we say, and here's the outcomes to prove it. And that's what the future of opportunity is for us as we see the partnership with Prompt.